everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Granola bars have become a favorite for most people who work out and look for healthy snacks. So today I'm going to show you all a wonderful homemade granola bar recipe all from scratch. This is pretty easy to make and we are going to use all the basic ingredients. So let's get started and check out how to make these bars quickly and easily. I have all the ingredients for the granola bars here. So the first step is to toast the oats and the nuts. For this recipe, I've taken about 2 cups of rolled oats. It's a 250 ml cup measurement, and about half cup of instant oats. Next, add about 3/4 cup of roughly chopped almonds. Toast all the ingredients till it turns to a lovely golden brown color. This will take about 15 minutes. Toast it on medium flame. After 15 minutes, you can see the color change. Transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Now we're going to make the binder for the bars. For this, to a saucepan, add about 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. Next, add about 1/4 cup of brown sugar and about 1/4 cup of honey. Mix everything well till the sugar is completely dissolved. Maintain the flame on a medium. So now you can see the sugar is completely dissolved. Add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix well. Once the mixture begins to bubble up, turn off the stove and pour the binding mixture into the bowl of oats. To this, I'm also adding about 1/4 cup of dried cranberries and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. This is entirely optional. Mix everything well till it's all well combined. So you can see the mixture is completely coated with the binder. To set the mixture, I've lined a baking tin or a tray with butter paper. Transfer the oats mixture into the tin and press it gently so it's evenly spread out. I'm just adding a few chocolate chips on top. Using a flat surface like this of a cup, I'm just going to press it in so it's nicely packed and it sets well. Keep the tin in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours till it's completely set. After 3 hours, I'm going to check on the oats mixture. You can see how beautifully this is set. I'm just gently removing the butter paper. I'm gently cutting it into small bars. You can cut it into squares or any desired size or shape of your choice. These power-packed granola bars are perfect for snacking whenever you're hungry. You can pack it for your kids' snack boxes as well, and it's so easy to make. You can store these bars for up to 2 to 3 days and you can enjoy them. I'll give you a couple of links in the description to the other oats recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. Now I have used cranberries for additional flavor, but if you can't find cranberries, you can simply replace them with raisins. Now you can store this for up to 1 week in the refrigerator and it's great for random snacking. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.